Hello everyone. Oh wait, hold on. Hello everyone. Alright, actually that should do it. Okay, let me just make sure. Just gotta test. This is a new camera and everything that I got, so I just gotta make sure it's set up correctly, but hello? So yeah, this is actually quite a storm we got going. Earlier it was definitely like more intense. We even saw a tornado. I think it was near Crystal Lake, which was it wasn't too strong, but it was still definitely a tornado. We have had a couple. Oh yeah, by the way, really quick, Hugo is he should join us soon, so that's awesome. He's not going to be here, like, you know, because he can't, but yeah, so it looks like audio's quality is alright, but it should work for just now. This is kind of just a little temporary. I don't have a microphone yet. This is just off of what I have, so it's not a big deal. But anyway, yeah, Hugo should hopefully be on a call with us in a second, so he can help forecast some of this stuff. Honestly, it definitely really ramped down, which I'm not surprised. It always does. This there's a huge bow echo right here, which is very promising. It does look really nice. Has a really good formation. We're around here. Obviously, you know, see Chicago, but yeah, we saw again a tornado near Crystal Lake, which I don't have any like pictures of that yet. I might get some. We'll post on Instagram if we get any. But yeah. So far, the storm, we can just check in with the severe thunderstorm warning. It was a tornado possible, but it has definitely gone down. So just 60-mile-an-hour winds. There was hail reports as well. I don't see any right now, though. So, yeah. Again, we're kind of just playing the waiting game for this storm to kind of hit us. But it doesn't look too intense, or definitely not as intense as it was, which is good. Oh, I'm just realizing on my stream I don't have a clock at the bottom, which kind of sucks. I don't know what happened to that, but that's right. But yeah, so we're just gonna kind of wait and see what happens. I think that this is gonna ramp down, because actually, let's go to the temperature model on this. Oh wait, hold on. Hold on. Here we go. Because actually, yeah, you can kind of see the cold front. This is at 5. Yeah, right. So about right now. But I mean, you can see that visible drop in temperature. I mean, it's like about 80. Right now outside, it's 83 degrees, 84 degrees exactly. This says 88, but that's a little bit higher. But I mean, even with the 88, you can just see like probably within a couple miles, it goes from 85 to 75, which is definitely. I mean, we can see like all the pressure building up near like DeKalb and Sycamore, and yeah, that's what's causing this huge bow echo. I mean, you can just see like the formation would be right with that cold front. Let me check the rotation actually, because we were seeing a little bit of rotation on the front end of this storm. I don't think that this is much. There was a decent amount of rotation like on this end of the storm, but it really ramped down, so we're not seeing much. But yeah, so far nothing crazy's happening. But yeah, I mean, when I saw that tornado on the map, I knew I had to live stream, because it was like within like 20 to 50 miles of us. So yeah, I was obviously gonna hop on. Yeah, Hugo probably would have done it with me, but he's busy right now. So, but yeah, again, he should hopefully be on the call with us. So he can like tune in and talk. But yeah, as you can see, we got the live camera on the bottom over there, which is kind of nice. I got my own finally, and yeah, it's really just. I mean, it doesn't even look that bad outside. I mean, it obviously hasn't hit us yet. It has not hit us yet, but yeah, it's definitely about to. Let me go ahead and just see if. Just give me 1 second. I want to see if Hugo. Alright. But, yeah. So, let's just check this. Yeah, nothing much. Again, this bow echo is actually pretty impressive. You don't usually see like bow echoes that are this prominent, like, ever. Because this is like a perfect, and by the way, when I say bow echo, it's called a bow echo because it looks like a bow and arrow. So it's in like the shape of like a crescent kind of. But the reason it does that is actually, you can see I have the wind map on right now. I have the wind like arrows, and you can see it's like pushing that storm like actually in a perfect like way. And then you can also see it's kind of like, I don't want to say rotating. Because rotating is like not really the right word for what I'm trying to say, but I mean, kinda. But I mean, it's kind of just pushing. Like, okay, remember when I showed you that cold front? The cold front is pushing, and then all of the sides are going this way, and that is like one of the most like the biggest like telltale signs of a severe storm or severe weather, and this is showing it perfectly. Again, it's kind of ramping down. I don't think there's any hail with this storm. Let me go to the volumetric, but I don't remember seeing any hail with this storm. Let me just check. Yeah, so normally with what I'm looking at over here, so the volumetric, it renders a 3D model of the storm, and I'm using the hail preset. So basically, if we saw hail, which I don't at all right now, you would be able to see little slivers of like pink or blue or like orange, and that would show hail. But right now I don't see any of that, so yeah, there's obviously no hail. Again, also we don't see any hail reports. I didn't do this. I want to check how fast the wind is moving. I know the storm is moving about 30 miles an hour, but it's going about, okay, 9 mile visibility, 69 degree dew point. Yeah, it's about 80 degrees, or there. It's 80 degrees there. Over here, it's 84. So you can see there's a 5 degree difference in the storm versus out. So, yeah. Here, yeah, I wanted to check the wind. Actually, can I do that here? Give me 1 second. Here we go. Alright. Oh, is this what I wanted? Kinda. I think so. I think so. No, it's not. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Don't have to... Oh, don't know how to work my weather app. Why is it... Okay. This isn't really what I wanted, but... Alright, that's not really what I wanted, but honestly, it's fine. We don't need to know the wind. We don't need to know the wind. We know it's pretty strong. I'm sure it'll probably tell us in the... I know it's 60 in the storm, but I just wanted to see a little bit outside of the front. Right now, we got readings of about 7 miles an hour. Actually, it got really dark outside, which is yeah. Actually, the wind is kind of ramping up a little bit. Gusts of 9 now, and 6 mile an hour normal. So yeah. So far, yeah, no rain right now. Just kind of waiting. I'm like right now where I'm streaming from. I'm around like here, so I'm about to be hit like around like here. So I'm like really like just on the edge of getting some rain. But in case some of you guys are wondering how I'm getting these readings, I have a weather station like outside in my backyard, and it tells me these readings like live. So right now, yeah, the temperature definitely went down a couple degrees. I think I said 85 or 84 before. Oh, now it's 80. And it actually just dropped. It went from 81 to 80 in the time it took me to say that, which is actually kind of wild. Alright, now the wind is kind of ramping down. We have 3 mile an hour, but the gusts are definitely going up. Now we have 12 mile an hour gusts, so it's kind of... which is pretty standard. It's whatever. Yeah. Again, we're just kind of waiting. Actually, hold on, guys. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to adjust the live camera, because I don't think... There we go. Alright, is that better? That should be better. Yeah, I think that's better. Alright. Do we have any... I can't... Hold on. I can't see if you guys are in the chat or if anyone's here or not. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Alright, looks like we have 3 viewers. Let's go. Hey, it's better than nothing. 14 views. Not bad, not bad. Could be worse, could be worse. Alright. Could have 0. Oh, we got no chats? Come on, guys. Come on. Really? Nothing? You guys got nothing to... Oh, we do. Oh, 10 minutes ago. There we go. Oh, chat rate. There's a difference between chat rate and all the chats. Josh is not watching anymore. We have one viewer. Alright. Right now, let's check the rotation again. It's been a little bit. I see we have a little bit of oh. I don't think that's right. Guys, I think some of the skyscrapers in Chicago are gonna fall down. 113 miles an hour. Yeah. I don't think so. Yeah. No, this is just a scan. It accidentally probably picked something up. But no, it's probably more like 5 or yeah, like 10. Yeah, honestly, it looks like we're not really getting that strong winds. We only have one severe thunderstorm warning left. Expires in 12 minutes, but they might even take it away early. Well, then again, I mean, there is just some heavy rain. There's no hail. again. I know it says hail, less than 75 inches, but there's no hail. If there was, we'd probably see hail reports. Let me just make sure that I actually have hail reports turned on, because otherwise I'm going to look really stupid. Hold on. Nope. There we go. Ooh. Got some lightning. That was kind of... Or thunder, not lightning. Almost, I don't know. I'm not watching the live camera outside, so... But I doubt you'd be able to see lightning from that. I'd be like... Yeah, no. Oh! 0 viewers! What's up, guys? I'm talking to myself now. Alright. Okay, I guess Hugo's just not gonna pick up. Come on, Hugo. I'm trying to call him on Snapchat right now, and he is not answering. Come on, dude. Ooh. Actually, that's some decent thunder. Let me look at a lightning map really quick. I'm curious where these bolts are striking. Ooh. We have one, like, less than a mile away, like half a mile. Actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Oh, wow. Okay, we see some purple over here. Alright, now we're getting some rain. Yeah. Some decently heavy rain. I can hear it. You guys probably can't. But I'm on the second floor of my house, and actually, I'm like... Ooh. It's actually pretty good. I have like this little slant here is the roof, so like the rain is like hitting probably like a couple feet. Like I'm below the roof a couple feet, so I can really hear the rain. I doubt you guys can though. Oh, Andy in the chat. What's up, Andy? Probably not watching anymore, but what's up? Yeah, actually, yeah. Big rain pile up right here. I almost thought that was rotation. I almost thought this was rotation. Actually, no, I don't think so. By St. Charles? Yeah, no. I mean, oh. Oh my god. That's not good. So, there's probably a tornado here. Oh yeah, like I said, they took away the warning very prematurely. But yeah, that's not good. So, this is the velocity right now. We can kind of, as you guys probably know, we can see that rotation, but I'm not really worried about that. This may or may not be a tornado. However, this is not good. Or, sorry, that made that circle way too big. This is not good. This is the correlation coefficient. Now, it looks really hard to understand. Like, what the hell is this? Like, this doesn't make... Ooh, lightning. This doesn't make any sense whatsoever, right? But, oh, jeez. But actually, it's not that hard to understand. All this is like, think of like the debris, alright? When a tornado comes in and it like rips up a house or whatever, you know, think like an EF3, EF4, rips off the house of a roof of a house. And the radar will detect that on the correlation coefficient. And what you want to look out for is the blues. And not on the edge, like this means nothing. This is just static. But you can see this is in the exact same shape. Actually, let me do the dual because you can see it way better. Oh, there's our approximate location, by the way. I don't know why that just decided to do it now. But you can see it's in almost the exact same shape as the storm. And basically... oh, why is it not? This matches up perfectly with this, which means there's probably like a decently high likelihood that there is a tornado there. Now, of course, there might not be. I mean, That's the thing. It's kind of stupid because it's like, oh, there could be, but like there probably is. Like there probably is. Not. I mean, like there's no one watching from St. Charles. That's for sure. I would very much doubt if there was anyone watching from here. I very much doubt if there was anyone watching from here. But still, I mean, that's something to note. I'm kind of surprised that they haven't, like, normally, the last tornado warning that we saw, like, I think it was the only one, there might have been another one, but it didn't, I'm pretty sure, I mean, I wouldn't doubt if there was a tornado on the ground, but when they did that, it was a tornado possible thunderstorm, which basically just means that there's rotation, and it's on the radar, it shows that there is, like, rotation, and there could be a tornado, but they don't really have confirmation, and the radar is kind of, like, hard to read. So, like, it might be, but it might be not. But, like, at the same time, they should still do it because those precious minutes can save people's lives when you're dealing with a tornado. So, I mean, the matter of 4 minutes when you issue a tornado possible versus if you wait until you actually know 100% rather than, like, 50%. So, but they're not issuing anything. So, yeah. I mean, now it's completely gone, so I don't know. I don't know, guys. Don't listen to me. I'm stupid. But, okay, why is this stupid ginger not joining? Oh, do we have another severe thunderstorm warning? Oh, maybe not. Okay, I guess not. I got an alert on my phone, but clearly there is not. So, yeah, I got one on. Okay. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, I keep getting alerts on my phone. What is this? But I'm not. It's not showing up here. Whatever. Well, yeah, this is our approximate location right now. Right now we have about 0.08 inches of rain. And by the way, the temperature went down crazy. It's 73 right now, and it's still going down. So, yeah. That cold front is really coming in. Actually, let's take another look at that because we have nothing better to do. This storm is a little sad. See, whenever there's something that's like a big storm like this, and then I should do a live because people want to see it, and if I don't, they're gonna be like, why didn't you warn me about like the rain or whatever. But then if I don't, there's gonna be like an EF5 that like wipes out the entirety of Chicago. But then if I do, there's like an EF like 0, or no, that's still a tornado. There's like an EF like -1, and it like does like it rains. Oh, guys, it's raining really hard, and there's nothing. So, yeah. Oh, we got some more viewers. 6 people. All right, come on, guys, type in the chat. I wanna make some jokes because there's nothing better to do. Outside, I don't even think you can see the rain on the live camera outside. I know it is updating. It's definitely working. I can see it, but yeah, I don't know. I wish Hugo was here, but he just doesn't want to. So I don't know. Actually, this looks kind of interesting. By, what is this, Bensonville? Yeah, you can see that bow shape is kind of still held together. Oops. Although it is kind of collapsing a little bit. You can see what once was the like the perfect 3 arrows pointing in like the perfect directions to make the perfect bow echo has now it's kind of collapsing like this way and up. So it probably won't hold that shape for long. Or what probably might also happen. What the? Did you guys see that? Yeah, I'm not going insane, right? I swear there was like a warning that was issued right here, and it flashed because I have it set to flash whenever like the first minute of when. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, okay. Oh, flash flood warning. There you go. Yep. Actually, I wouldn't be surprised if we maybe got some flooding. Now we have 0.14, so a lot more, and it's almost 72 degrees, or it is 72. It's almost 71. Excuse me. Yeah, I can definitely see why they took away that severe thunderstorm warning for here, there's no wind, and there's no hail, and there's like nothing, so there's no reason to have a severe thunderstorm warning. But yeah, again, we're just kind of waiting. I'll probably end the stream in about like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Again, it's just rain. I mean, the rain is decently heavy. We just got 0.004 or 0.5 now, more rain, which is like pretty decent. It's fine. Ooh, actually that is pretty heavy. Not bad, not bad. Let's check the, oops, that's not what I meant to click. Oh, does it not want to load? So this is supposed to display the total precipitation within an hour, but I guess it just doesn't want to work. Oh yeah, look at that, you see the red. So this is at 10:30, which is, not now, that's for sure. Okay, can we do something else? There we go. That's better. What the? Oh, this is also late. This is a half hour ago. What? We just, are we, okay, nope. Okay, why is this not working, huh? You mean, this is also bad. What? Okay, see, people make fun of me for spending like $120 on a weather app, and then I try to prove them wrong, and then the weather app tries to prove me wrong. So I don't, I spend I like this weather app. It works. Radar Omega, it's pretty good. This is not a sponsorship. This is not they wouldn't do a sponsorship with me. They would not. But okay. Who is your local monkey, and why did they just call me cute? I mean, I'll take it, but at the same time, come on. But okay, I spend $120 on a weather app, and then it just doesn't work. Okay, the 3D works great. Look at this. That's so cool. I mean, that's really your weather app can't do that. You can't do that. I can do that. I'm cool. But and the velocity works. You know, it works. It just does. But then I'll try to do something this, and it'll. Oh yeah, no, it's just a half hour. You know, because you don't need to see that. I don't know. So yeah. Pisses me off sometimes, but whatever. It's fine. I mean, it's not like we're gonna have a devastating impact on rain. When is this expiring? 3 hours? I doubt that that's gonna be up for. I mean, well, I can't really say for sure because the thing isn't working, but they're gonna probably do the same thing as they did with the severe thunderstorm warning. Yep. Alright, temperature went down a decent amount. Now it's 71 again, like I said. Humidity's gone up, actually. I kind of forgot to talk about that. I honestly have no idea what it was before. No idea. All I know now is it's 92. My guess, probably 80, maybe 70. I'm just too lazy to check. There's no need. It's fine. But, yeah. Yeah. So, rain. And thunder. Yeah. Decent, actually, pretty decent amount of lightning strikes. I, don't really have this on my computer, but I don't know if you guys can see this here. Hold on. This is on my phone. This is terrible. Hold on. Let me fix this. This is terrible, quality. But you can see we're the blue. Oh. No, we're that blue dot, not the airport blue dot, the other blue dot. And all the red, lightning strikes, I know you can't see it at all, but all the red lightning strikes are, they're red lightning strikes, but there's 500 of them in the area, so. And there's actually one that was my neighbor's house. Ooh, should probably check if he's okay. Yeah, actually it's pretty decent. My dog's probably freaking out right now. I'd ask you guys to say something in the chat, but I have been, and you guys haven't been talking, so I don't know what to do. because there's nothing to do, and this is kind of boring. So, yeah. You know what we should do? We should, like, on the live streams, because they're, like, really boring and no one wants to watch them because it's rain and it's just, there's not, unless the, like, someone's, like, dying and there's, like, a tornado and it's, like, exciting, which, you know, that's great. But it never is, because me and Hugo like to call it the DuPage Dome, right? Because we live in DuPage County, right? This, I know you can't see it because it's covering it up, but we live, oh, I don't have counties on. Whatever. We live in DuPage County. And every single time, again, it literally just happened, every single time a storm comes, right? It'll be like EF5 tornadoes, or it'll be like over here and it'll be like 50 million tornadoes and like hail the size of your hand and like lightning strikes are crazy, and then it'll get to like Schaumburg and it'll like vanish and it'll do this. I mean, and usually it won't even do this. Like, this is like good compared to like some of the other stuff, and this is literally rain, which is kind of sad. But like, there's no weather. There's none. And although with like all like the global warming stuff, it'll be like more. Ooh, got some more rain. Actually, sorry to interrupt and not finish my sentence, but we have about half an inch of rain in like 10. How long was that? Like 20 minutes? How long have I been streaming for? How long have I? Okay, like a half hour. Okay. Yeah, so that was probably like in like 20 minutes-ish, 10 minutes. But that's not bad, actually. But yeah, so like the DuPage Dome, it'll come and it'll like just disintegrate, and it'll just be gone. And it always does it. Oh, Hugo called. Hold on, guys. And it always does it when it like reaches DuPage, which sucks. Hugo called. Hold on. Whew. Hold on. Look who it is. Alright.
Hello?
I am on the stream currently.
What?
No, not I'm streaming right now. I'm live.
For what?
That's what I'm talking about to everyone. To everyone as in my 2 viewers.
Nothing's happening.
I know. I know. It's rain.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Oh yeah, Willowbrook's flooding. Bye.
Oh. I called it. See, guys, I'm smart. I even said I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some flooding. And look at that. From the man himself, Hugo Mizakowski. Oh, by the way, guys, how would you feel if we started... Okay, obviously no Weather with Weber. Like, literally the Weather with Weber. But what if we did, like... This is more for, like, severe weather, and we do, like, a weather coverage thing, like a live update every so often, like, maybe, like, every month. We haven't been able to do it recently because there hasn't been any weather. But I know a couple people have been wanting, like more, like, live stuff. Like, you can just check in. What if we did, like, a website? Or meteorology with Mizakowski. Like, Hugo has... It's, like, kind of split. Like, it's the same. I mean, we're not, like, splitting. But, like, Weather with Weber is going to be more for, like, severe stuff and, like specific storms and, like, days and, like, you know. But then meteorology with Mizakowski will be, like, more broad and, like, maybe not just Chicago. Don't quote me on that, don't. But, like, it could be, like, you know, more in, like, Wisconsin or, like, Iowa or, you know, like, surrounding states. You know, I think that'd be kind of fun. And actually really, really good. But, I don't know, it's just a thought. We haven't really, like, done anything because we're lazy, and we have 1 viewer right now. Oh, 2 viewers. There you go. But, yeah, I think I'm probably gonna stop streaming because there's nothing. Temperature isn't really going down anymore. Humidity's staying about the same. It went up to 90, it went up 2%. 2 more percents, 2%, whatever. It's at 94 now. And there's no wind. Still half an inch of rain. And this thing is going to pass in like a little bit. As I said, it's dissolving. You can see it looks more like a scribble than an actual squall line. So, yeah. All right. Well, I think that will probably bring us to the end of our stream. We'll hopefully be able to do more of these before the year ends, because once winter hits, there really won't be any severe weather. Although we might actually cover some winter weather if that would interest you guys. That'd be kind of fun. Although we never get snow in Chicago anyway, usually. So we just don't get any weather. Weather with weather. So yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.